We live in an age of development, and new technology is making our lives easier and more convenient. Our lives are heavily influenced by smartphones and social networks, which are more likely to continue. Technology has the capacity to revolutionize the planet. We'll go through some of the mind-blowing technological advancements that have the potential to change our lives, and you can expect to see many of them in action in the next years. If you want to know what are the most mind-blowing technologies, keep watching the video till the end. Welcome to the Future Tech Lab, and today we are going to tell you about the new mind-blowing technologies that will dominate everything today. Number 8. Enshow 3D Virtual Dressing Room. According to statistics, clothing is the most popular item, accounting for more than 30% of all online purchases. Consumers, on the other hand, can only examine product photographs and model demonstrations while buying online, and they cannot try on garments. The shopping experience hasn't been great. When you can't try on garments while purchasing online, you'll end up with a higher return and exchange rate. It is a mutually inflexible requirement for e-commerce platforms and online customers to address the online apparel try-on dilemma. New Tempo has created the Enshow 3D Virtual Dressing Platform, which has merged 3D and 2D technology with facial recognition technology to achieve online virtual fitting experience, using motion sensor technology as the core and the help of the internet and mobile internet. It makes virtual dressing available on a variety of platforms, Windows, Android, and iOS, as well as many terminals, 3D virtual dressing mirror, smart TV, set-top boxes, tablets, and smartphones. We may try on clothing on a variety of platforms. Consumers may try on and buy clothing at any time and from any location. The virtual fitting experience is not just a groundbreaking technological advancement, but also a significant advancement in the garment marketing paradigm. It has the potential to set a new trend in the existing online retail sector. Number 7. Orcam MyEye 2. Orcam MyEye is a one-of-a-kind low-vision wearable gadget. Orcam's small camera, which connects to any pair of eyeglasses, reads text, identifies faces, and detects items using artificial intelligence, providing the user a real sensation of freedom. Orcam MyEye Pro is a powerful yet simple-to-use camera with cutting-edge technology. Artificial intelligence is used by the MyEye Pro to read text on smartphones, laptops, signs, books, newspapers, and more. It is the only wearable that is triggered by an intuitive pointing motion and can read any printed or digital text instantaneously without requiring an internet connection. Enhanced interactive reading technology is now available. Number 6. Multiscope Rescue. Firefighters are among the bravest people on the planet, willingly putting themselves in risky positions to save lives. However, advances in robots and artificial intelligence can help to mitigate the hazards that come with the profession. There are certain fires that are intrinsically lethal, such as those that are caused by other reasons. To summarize, situations involving gas leaks, toxic chemicals, and explosives, among other things, require a more cautious approach. Milram Robotics and Innovi Foam have collaborated to create the Multiscope Rescue. It can carry a weight of around 2,650 pounds, according to the spec sheet. Furthermore, the 4,270-pound pull power is capable of readily pushing or dragging freight or supplies to extinguish fires. Milram Robotics makes use of a sophisticated camera system to deliver exceptional visibility. Finally, the Multiscope Rescue has excellent mobility thanks to tank treads rather than wheels. Number 5. Lyft Hexa. Hexa, Lyft Aircraft's electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, is dubbed the future of personal aviation by the Austin-based business. It's been compared to a drone and a flying automobile thus far. Hexa is essentially an airborne leisure vehicle, capable of flying at low altitudes at 15-minute intervals. Because a pilot's license isn't necessary, Lyft intends to advertise them to millennials with disposable cash and anybody seeking a thrill. Despite the COVID-19 outbreak delaying plans, Lyft claims it will continue to tour areas around the United States where anybody who meets the required height, weight, and age will be able to fly for a fee. According to Lyft, there were more than 15,000 flights waiting to ride Hexa as of November 2019. A small number of Hexas are also being sold to customers who will subsequently rent them out. Only 5 are still available for $495,000 each. Number 4. Chairless Chair 2.0. The Nuni Chairless Chair 2.0 is a cutting-edge exoskeleton chair that connects to your leg and supports you in any posture. The ergonomic design allows you to shift your weight away from your leg while remaining in a standing or sitting posture. The Nuni Exoskeleton Chair, which can be adjusted from 15 meters to 19 meters in height, provides outstanding size adaptation and height modification for a variety of occupational activities. This is ideal for workers and employees in a variety of fields. Its lightweight design is made possible by a 25% weight decrease, making it easier to transport. The new materials in V2.0 are sturdy, comfortable, and simple to modify. Nuni Wearable Chair is a terrific and unique solution for those who spend long hours in standard chairs, whether in the workplace or at home. Number 3. Self-Balancing Motorcycle. Any beginner motorcyclist's greatest fear is losing control of their bike at a stop sign or during a low-speed maneuver. When you're riding fast, it's simple to keep your bike upright, but when you're creeping through a parking lot, all that bulk is begging to go over. With a new concept bike that can balance itself during a low-speed crawl or when entirely stopped, Honda appears to have found the right answer. Honda Riding Assist made its debut today in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show. The technology is delightfully simple. When engaged, it raises the fork angle, lengthens the wheelbase, and seems to separate the front forks from the handlebars. Without the need of hefty gyroscopes or other mass-shifting devices, the system then employs minute steering inputs to keep the bike perfectly balanced. Honda designed a hypothetical bike to illustrate the technology that can even silently push itself up a corridor, following its owner like a loyal pet. Number 2. LMV 496 La Motovelante. The Laser firm is known for producing stunning motorcycles. The LMV 496 La Motovelante, which translates to flying motorcycle in French, is much more than a motorcycle. It's a risky endeavor to defy the odds and, possibly literally, aim for the stars. It's essentially a more powerful version of the Maserati V8-powered four-wheel beast that was launched a few years ago, but it's an improvement with limitless potential. If you've ever been trapped in traffic while riding your bike, you know how much the world needs a flying motorcycle. The motorcycle has a kerosene tank that is cleverly hidden by the composite body. The kerosene tank has enough fuel to keep the plane flying for around 10 minutes. The dashboard shows critical flying information such as speed, location, and altitude while in flight. The handling and driving posture are based on previous Laser vehicle types. It remains to be known whether the motorcycle can truly fly. The demo video, on the other hand, demonstrates that the technology is indisputably present. Number 1. Xiaomi Cyber Dog. Xiaomi has launched Cyber Dog, an open-source quadrupedal robot that the company claims holds unforeseen possibilities. Cyber Dog is the most recent example of a tech company embracing quadrupedal robotics. Spot, a machine created by Boston Dynamics in the United States, is the most well-known example of the trend. The Spot was sold for $74,500 last year and has been put to a variety of tasks, including scanning hazardous mines and allowing physicians to communicate with patients remotely. Both law enforcement and the military have tried it, but not as a weapon. Xiaomi's unveiling of Cyber Dog is intriguing, albeit not necessarily as a product in and of itself. Instead, it speaks a lot about the current state of robotics and its accessibility. There we have it, which brings us to the end of today's video. So what do you think was the most mind-blowing piece of technology in the list? Please leave your answers in the comments section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. While you're at it, hit the bell so you never miss any of our videos, as more exciting ones like this are on the way. In the next one, I'll see you.